Imagine tossing your Bluetooth speaker into a lake and it keeps blasting your playlist, lights ablaze, floating clean and loud. That's exactly what the Soundcore Boom 3i promises. In this video, I'll reveal whether this rugged, floatable, saltwater-ready speaker is just a gimmick or your next outdoor lifesaver. Stick around. Could this be the best waterproof Bluetooth speaker for your beach, pool, or paddleboarding adventures? Soundcore Boom 3i Product Overview. The Soundcore Boom 3i is a rugged, waterproof Bluetooth speaker from Anker's Soundcore brand, launched in 2025 with a focus on outdoor reliability and bold performance. Built for adventurers, from beach goers to lake loungers, it features an IP68 rating, waterproof and dustproof, saltwater resistance, and the ability to float upright, keeping sound and lights facing upward even on waves. Its aim? Deliver loud, clear 50-watt audio along with party mode lighting and app-based controls, making it essential for anyone seeking a portable speaker that won't bail when things get wet. Soundcore Boom 3i Performance. In real-world testing, the Boom 3i impresses with 50 watts of output, offering significant volume for a compact outdoor speaker, louder than the JBL Charge 5 and easily handling beach and lakeside settings. Gizmodo noted it sounds surprisingly refined, with better mid-range clarity than higher-priced rivals. On the water, the engineering shines. It floats upright, thanks to internal weighting and grille design, so your music stays audible even when the speaker is bobbing around. One standout feature is Buzz Clean, accessible via the Soundcore app. It plays vibration sweeps to shake off sand and dirt, perfect after a beach day. Battery life reaches up to 16 hours at 50% volume, with bass boost and lights turned off, for full-day use, though not class-leading. Features and tech. The Boom 3i packs some compelling features with real-world benefits. Floating playback with upright grille. Designed to stay face-up while floating, ensuring uninterrupted audio even on water. IP68 water and dust resistance plus saltwater coating. Built to endure fresh or salt water and protects against corrosion for up to 2 years. Buzz Clean, self-cleaning mode. Uses internal vibrations to shake off sand, dust, or debris, ideal for beach or pool trips. Emergency alarm and megaphone. Built-in 96 decibel alarm or megaphone via the app adds safety value during outdoor adventures. Compared to the Boom 2, which has 80 watts but lacks dust resistance and saltwater protection, the Boom 3i trades peak output for rugged versatility. Design and build. Constructed from tough plastic with chunky rubber bumpers, the Boom 3i feels solid and built for the outdoors. It's compact, around 783 grams, and comes with a detachable shoulder strap, great for hands-free adventures, though users should note the plastic claps can slide off if handled carelessly. The controls on top are tactile and intuitive. The unit floats in a balanced position so the audio drivers stay upright even in water. Pros. Ultra rugged, IP68 rating, dustproof, saltwater resistant, drop tested, floats upright. Smart cleanup. Buzz Clean sweeps debris off the speaker, genius for outdoor use. Sound performance. Loud and punchy 50-watt audio with customizable EQ. Safety tools. Includes alarm and megaphone functions via app. Cons. Battery life moderate, 16-hour runtime but rated at optimal conditions, not class-leading. Strap hardware. Plastic clasps may slip off if mishandled. Final verdict. The Soundcore Boom 3i is a standout for outdoor lovers. Uniquely rugged, floatable, and accessorized with clever features like Buzz Clean and an emergency alarm. It may not beat the Boom 2 in raw power, but it wins in real-world resilience and versatility. For any live-aboard adventurers, beach bums, or paddlers, this is a splash-proof, dirt-proof, worry-proof pick. Sound quality is notably better than similarly priced rivals, and the app gives control over EQ, lights, and safety tools. The only compromises are moderate battery endurance and lightweight strap hardware, but those are minor in the face of the overall turnkey experience. At around $130 to $140, it's well priced for what you're getting. A rugged, waterproof, float-styled outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Prompt is built for adventure.